A very big hello to all my wonderful champions. I hope you're doing great. Well, all KCET aspirants, listen to me out carefully. Your KCET admit card is finally out, and I'll tell you how you can download it. Make sure you download it. Make sure you go through all the guidelines which are written in the admit card as well, and please keep it safe. You will need it for your examination. And how can you download it? Let's see. So go to KEA's official website. When you type KEA in Google, there might be a lot of things coming up. Make sure you're not going ahead with any fraudulent websites out there. Yeah. And now when you reach over here, you can change the language right at here. You can change it to Kannada if you want, or you can switch it to English according to whichever language you're comfortable in. Then go to admissions and click on UGCET 2026. Now once you do that, the first link that is being seen is UGCET 2026 admission ticket download link. Click on that particular link, and over here, my dear children, I hope you can see that you have to fill in your application number. So you have got your application number before. Make sure you fill that in, put in your password, and do the captcha verification, as in whatever is written over here. Make sure you put it down over here, and then finally you can log in using what? The OTP, or basically using the face recognition. That is the thing that you need to do. The OTP will be sent to the number by which you have registered in KCET examination. I hope that is super clear. Now, as I said, there is one more note which is there. So once you log in, then again you would have to fill in some information, and that information goes like this. So listen to me carefully. After entering the OTP received in candidate's mobile, he or she should log in, and the following details of the candidate's qualifying examination should be entered. So until now, you had not given your, your PUC examination, but now it's over, your results are also out. So what you have to do is, please go ahead and fill in your second PU or 12th class board, whichever board that you belong to. Please make sure you fill that in, whether it's CBSE or whatever board is there. And further, the registration number, all the roll number. So according to your board, you would have different names for this. Either roll number, registration number, which is there, please make sure you put that in, and the year in which you have passed. So basically, you have passed in 2026, so 2025, 26. If at all you have got an option like that, or you just say 2026. That would be your year of passing. Now, after entering the above details, the CET 2026 admit card can be downloaded. Candidates are advised to download the instructions given along with the admit card and follow the guidelines procedures without fail. So whatever instructions are being given out there, make sure you download it and go through it. That is also very, very important. Check all the details printed on the admit card and appear for the exam at the designated center. Now one more very important thing is there, that is, if at all you're writing Kannada language test, I hope you guys know that there are only limited cities where you can go and appear for the examination. That is only at Bangalore, Belgaum and Mangalore. So there are only 3 centers where you can go and attempt the Kannada language test examination. So that is something that I had to tell you. And I hope this video helped you. If at all it did, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because we will be coming up with a lot more updates whenever it is needed. And those of you preparing for KCET, remember, we had launched KC30 crash course, and there is an off going on out there since your PUC results are out. And make sure you make the best utilization of that. Apart from that, you have ABHYAS KCET test series also, which is going to be super helpful for everyone who is planning for giving mock test. Again, a trusted one. Previous year, the rank holders with 171 rank and so on and so forth, Prajwal and everyone, use this particular test series. It is definitely going to help you out, and trust me on that. Yeah. So wishing you all the best, and please take care of yourself. This is very much important for you to be in a good state of mind. Give your best and lots of love. Bye-bye. Take care.